Hi guys, welcome to our channel Designers Dome. I'm Benita and here we'll be introducing you to some incredible interior and architecture design projects that redefine aesthetics and functionality. Today I want to introduce you to a project that is a perfect blend of modern design and sophisticated living. So let's get started. As we enter this house, the sleek and welcoming design sets the tone for the entire home. The clever use of neutral color palette and artful lighting creates a warm and inviting ambience, all while incorporating artistic elements that add a touch of elegance to the entire home. The spacious and open living room with an adjoining dining area is designed to promote relaxation and social interaction. The minimalistic yet comfortable furniture and decor maintain a modern aesthetic that is both functional and inviting. The well-designed balcony offers a peaceful outdoor retreat. Comfortable seating arrangements and lush greenery create a serene environment for relaxation. This house boasts not one but two luxurious master bedrooms, each offering a serene atmosphere. Now let's take a moment to thank our channel sponsor Casa Walls. They offer a vast collection of bespoke handcrafted interior wall claddings and also have an amazing range of designer furniture pieces, where each piece tells you a unique story of statement and luxury. So go ahead and check them out. Keeping in trend with bathrooms of 2023, even the bathrooms have not been overlooked. It has a spa-like ambience to it with high-end fixtures and fittings, including ones from Armani Sanitary Fittings. And let's not forget the enchanting space-themed kids' bedroom, designed to foster creativity and imagination. It features wall murals, ceiling decor and furniture that reflect outer space elements in it. It also has ample storage that ensures a clutter-free environment for the child. The state-of-the-art modular kitchen is a showstopper with its sleek and efficient layout. Premium materials for countertops, cabinets and appliances create a culinary heaven for anyone. Smart storage solutions optimize space and functionality, making it a true delight for any home chef. The Scandanavian White House project done by interior designer Nishi Jain of Tailor Your Home truly embodies the essence of modern living and sophisticated design. Stay tuned to our channel Designers Dome for more such inspiring projects where every space tells a unique story of art and design.